Sup everybody, Logan here from Crypto Videos, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Centrifuge token, ticker symbol CFG. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the leading platform for tokenized financial products, Centrifuge's real-world asset tokenization and fund management platform brings the full power of on-chain finance to asset managers and investors. If you go to their webpage, centrifuge.io, you can find the RWA Launchpad, DE-RWA tokens, fund management, investing, lending, and borrowing. There's a community section that talks about governance. They have the Dubai Real World Asset Summit Roundtable section, Real World Asset Summit partners, resources like news, case studies, documentation, and brand kits. And you can launch an application. You could contact them. There's all sorts of socials listed on there. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting today, May 21st at 11 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search CFG, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, at Centrifuge, real easy to find that. Blue verified checkmark has a link to their webpage there, almost 4,000 tweets, 81,100 Twitter followers. Pretty big project here. It says Centrifuge is a pioneering platform for real-world asset tokenization. Through Centrifuge, investors gain access to a diverse range of assets, improving transparency and achieving better insight into their portfolio. Asset managers tokenize their funds and streamline access to necessary service providers and investors, saving cost for fund operators and unlocking new sources of capital. Centrifuge provides both infrastructure and ecosystem tokenization, managing and investing into a complete diversified portfolio of real-world assets, RWAs. Asset pools are fully collateralized. Investors have legal recourse, and the protocol is asset class agnostic with pools for assets spanning structured credit, real estate, U.S. treasuries, carbon credits, consumer finance, and more. Centrifuge's ecosystem extends beyond its on-chain financial infrastructure, incorporating a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, supported by a diverse community of finance professionals and developers. By bringing the entire structured credit market on-chain across securitization, tokenization, privacy, governance, and liquidity integrations, Centrifuge is building a more transparent, affordable, and limitless financial system. Now, they have a getting started section in their documents. You can learn about the basic concepts of the core products of Centrifuge. There's user documentation where you could read guides on how to use it. And then there's developer documentation if you are a developer. Now, their mission in traditional finance, asset financing requires many intermediaries to function. For example, the short list of parties involved in a securitization can include a lead manager, managers, lawyers, paying agents, fiscal agents, auditors, registrars, transfer agents, calculation agents, listing agents, rating agents, process agents. All of these intermediaries add to the upfront and ongoing costs, increasing the barriers for small and medium enterprises compared to large corporations. Now, Centrifuge brings finance on-chain and allows multiple parties to achieve agreement on shared information without a trusted intermediary. Furthermore, reliance on intermediaries can be greatly reduced, leading to a more open, transparent, and efficient access to finance. Representing real-world assets, RWA's on-chain is known as tokenization. Tokenization brings more efficiency and lower costs. These lower costs reflect the power of automation and blockchain-enabled efficiencies, in contrast to the higher labor and operational costs of traditional finance. Now, looking ahead, we're building Centrifuge to be a comprehensive platform to take these initial benefits and tokenization and build a powerful automated infrastructure for accessibility, liquidity, and interoperability of digital assets. Users will be able to access on-chain capital markets to a global scale, and developers will be able to build cohesive, customized financial infrastructure tailored to their specific use cases. So their history, it says Centrifuge was founded all the way back in 2017 with the mission to solve inefficiencies in the financial system with blockchain technology. The first iteration of the platform was built on Ethereum, and it was called Tin Lake. And with Tin Lake, we pioneered multiple trenches of revolving pools and financed assets in the real world, both first to decentralized finance. Now, they have the CFG token. It's the native governance token of Centrifuge. It empowers holders to shape the protocol's evolution through a decentralized on-chain governance system. So this is the governance token. With the transition to Centrifuge v3 and EVM-based protocols, CFG is migrating from the legacy Centrifuge chain to Ethereum as of mid-March 2025, and this shift depicts the original CFG on Centrifuge chain and wrapped CFG, WCFG, on Ethereum, consolidating them into a single EVM-compatible CFG token. CFG holders steer the Centrifuge protocol by voting on proposals, including runtime upgrades and specific initiatives. With the Centrifuge chain, governance is transitioning to EVM-based tools, and there's different phases for that, token migration, etc. And so they have token distribution on here as well. 29.2% of the tokens will go to core contributors, 18.5% to early backers, 10.3% to community sale, 12.7% goes to foundation endowment, 20.3% community grants, and 9% to the early ecosystem. Different lockup periods for different allocations, so check those out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.